Are you looking for a mini PC that can handle demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking with ease? If so, I'm here to ask the question, is the Beelink SER8 Mini PC actually worth buying? Well, I'm curious to share my thoughts after putting it through some real-world use cases. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon, but stick around for an actual review that gets to the point. I've had a chance to play around with the SER8 for a bit, and let me tell you, it packs quite a punch despite its miniature form factor. First of all, the performance of this thing is lightning fast thanks to the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor. Coupled with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, I can easily have multiple resource-intensive applications open at the same time without any hiccups. Whether I'm working on Adobe Premiere, browsing through my Google Drive files, or maybe even live streaming a Minecraft game, this mini PC just takes it in stride. With the 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, storage won't be an issue either. I can throw in a few big games, my entire Windows library, and maybe even a virtual machine or two, without running out of space anytime soon. Also, with such a massive SSD, my system boots up in 5 seconds flat. Talk about snappy. But let's get to the fun part. The display capabilities of the Beelink SER8 will exceed your expectations, especially for some of my fellow gamers out there. It supports up to 4K resolution at 120Hz, which is just amazing, perfect for when you want to get immersed in that new virtual reality experience. And with support for triple display, you can either enjoy the visuals in its full glory or clone it across 2 extra screens for more convenience. Other connectivity options on the Beelink are also top-notch. We have Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and the ability to stream data via 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet. All these features combined give you seamless connectivity with your router, peripherals, and gadgets. No longer do you have to worry about slow transfer speeds, not when this thing can go almost as fast as some USB hard drives on high-speed internet plans. Lastly, although this might not influence any immediate purchase decisions, the lifetime after-sales service from the company is something you might want to keep in mind. Having been dedicated to research and development in the mini PC space for years, you can expect some pretty well-made electronics with the occasional software tweaks when needed. All things considered, here's my take on the Beelink SER8's pros and cons. The SER8 checks all of my boxes: high-flying performance that'll never leave you waiting, massive storage for files, multiple gaming display options for immersive experiences, and a whole lot more. It really does have it all for a price that won't have you running for cover. The only downsides I've found? While I did find the SER8 extremely quiet under normal operation, on more demanding software, or during long gaming sessions it might not be as silent as I had wanted. However, the cooling system's fan does spin up more when it needs to keep up with the pace. On the other hand, it seems to hold its charge pretty well, though it's essential to keep the power adapter away from direct sunlight if you plan on keeping your laptop in the sun, if you need a place that uses solar panels to provide power to the laptop or something. Now that you've heard from me, the decision is still yours, but I truly believe the Beelink SER8 fits perfectly into that particular niche where it's hard to come by something that is so reasonably priced considering its powerful hardware. The purchase process and shipping are seamless. I'd truly recommend it to anyone considering their next mini PC. If you're intrigued and you'd like to check it out for yourself, I've linked it in the description below for you to get the most up-to-date and accurate product information on Amazon.